go!
Today we will practice English and learn about family. I am Bob. I am 7. My family is big. I have a mother, a father, a brother, and a sister. My mother's name is Anna. She is 35. She is not tall and thin.
Next time,
She has blue eyes. She has long blonde hair. She is beautiful. My father's name is John. He is tall and not fat. He has brown eyes and short hair. My sister's name is Maria. She is 1. She has big green eyes. My brother's name is Brett. He is 5. He has curly hair. He is very fat and big. I love my family. Do you know what is family? A family is a social group of people who live together under the same roof. It's quiz time. How many members are there in Bob's family? 4, 5, or 6? The right answer is 5 members. What is the name of Bob's mother? Maria, Anna. Anna. Anna is the right answer. What is the color of Maria's eye? Green, blue. Blue. Blue is the right answer. What hair does Brett have? Curly, straight. Curly. Curly is the right answer.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.